Welcome to Durango, a land where towering mountains pierce the clouds and verdant forests blanket the slopes. Here in northwestern Mexico, nature unfolds in a breathtaking tapestry of diverse landscapes. From the cool air of the highlands to the sun-drenched valleys below, Durango offers a journey through a land where nature's artistry knows no bounds. Join me now as we venture into the heart of Mexico's natural wonderland, where adventure awaits around every bend. The beauty of the natural world unfolds in all its glory. Our journey begins in the Sierra Madre Occidental, a formidable mountain range that stretches like a backbone through Durango. This range is not just a geographical feature, but a lifeline that has shaped the culture and history of the region. These ancient peaks, sculpted by time and the elements, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of millennia. They are cloaked in dense forests of pine and oak, creating a lush green canopy that shelters countless forms of life. Here, life finds a foothold in 1,000 forms. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a role in this intricate ecosystem. Birds of prey soar effortlessly on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the forest floor for the slightest movement. Their presence is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature where every predator and prey has its place. Deer move with a grace born of generations spent navigating this rugged terrain. Their agility and endurance are a testament to the adaptability of life in these mountains. The Sierra Madre Occidental is a testament to the power of nature, a place where the raw beauty of the wilderness remains untouched by time. This untouched beauty is a sanctuary for those seeking to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. Its slopes offer endless opportunities for exploration, for hikers seeking solace in the stillness of the woods. Each trail leads to new discoveries, from hidden valleys to panoramic vistas. For those who venture into its depths, the forest offers a chance to reconnect with nature and find peace in its quiet embrace. We'll encounter hidden waterfalls cascading down moss-covered cliffs, their thunderous roar a testament to the power of water. These waterfalls are not just a visual spectacle, but a source of life for the flora and fauna that thrive in their misty spray. And as the stars begin to twinkle in the night sky, we'll gather around a crackling campfire, sharing stories and laughter. The warmth of the fire and the camaraderie of friends make these moments unforgettable, a perfect end to a day of adventure. The Sierra Madre Occidental is more than just a mountain range, it is a sanctuary for the soul. It invites us to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the simple, profound beauty of the natural world. In its serene landscapes we find a reflection of our own inner peace, a reminder of the timeless connection between humanity and nature. Descending from the heights of the Sierra Madre Occidental, we arrive at the Huachinango Valley, a verdant paradise. Known as Mexico's green lung, the Huachinango Valley is a haven for biodiversity. Crystal-clear rivers wind their way through the valley, their banks lined with ferns and mosses. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, a chorus of trills and chirps that fills the forest. Hummingbirds flit from flower to flower, their iridescent feathers catching the light. Butterflies dance among the wildflowers, adding their own vibrant hues to this landscape. The Huachinango Valley is a place of tranquility and peace where time seems to slow down. Here one can spend hours wandering through the forest, marveling at the intricate beauty of nature. The air grows still, and the only sound is the gentle rustling of leaves as a breeze whispers through the trees. Come, let us explore this hidden gem together and discover the magic that awaits in Mexico's green lung. Our journey takes us now to the Sierra de Organos, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Imagine colossal stone columns rising from the earth, their surfaces etched by centuries of wind and rain. These are the organs, named for their resemblance to the pipes of a giant organ. Here life finds a foothold in the most unexpected of places. Cacti cling tenaciously to the rocky slopes, their vibrant blooms a splash of color. Lizards bask in the warmth of the sun, their scales blending seamlessly with the rocks. High above, golden eagles circle on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below. Venturing deeper, we discover hidden canyons and caves, their cool interiors offering sanctuary from the heat. The Sierra de Organos is a place of stark beauty, a landscape that inspires awe and wonder. Join me as we explore this land of giants where the wonders of the natural world are on full display. Our exploration of Durango now takes us to the dramatic canyons of Canon de los Alamillos and Canon de la Zarca. These natural wonders are a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of the region, where the forces of nature have sculpted the landscape over millennia. The canyons stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their walls etched with the history of the earth itself. Imagine sheer cliffs that plunge hundreds of feet into the chasm below, their layers of rock painted in hues of ochre, crimson, and gold. These vibrant colors tell a story of geological processes that have taken place over millions of years, each layer representing a different era in the Earth's history. The cliffs are not just a visual spectacle but a geological archive. Condors soar effortlessly on the thermals, their shadows dancing across the canyon walls. These majestic birds with their impressive wingspans are a symbol of freedom and the wild spirit of Durango. Watching them glide gracefully through the air is a humbling experience, reminding us of the delicate balance of nature. Down in the depths, a ribbon of emerald green reveals the presence of a river, its waters carving ever deeper into the heart of the canyon. This river is the lifeblood of the canyon, constantly shaping and reshaping the landscape. Its journey through the canyon is a testament to the relentless power of water, capable of transforming solid rock into intricate formations. The roar of the water echoes off the canyon walls, a constant reminder of the forces that shaped this dramatic landscape. The sound is both powerful and soothing, a natural symphony that has been playing for eons. It is a reminder of the dynamic processes that continue to shape our planet. Venture with me now to El Salto, where a cascade of water plunges over a precipice, creating a curtain of liquid silk. This waterfall is one of Durango's most iconic natural features, a place where the sheer power and beauty of water are on full display. The sight of the water cascading down is mesmerizing, a dance of liquid that captivates the senses. The air is thick with mist, and the sound of the water crashing onto the rocks below is exhilarating. This mist creates a cool, refreshing atmosphere, a stark contrast to the arid landscape surrounding the canyon. The combination of sight, sound, and sensation makes this a truly immersive experience. Rainbows dance in the spray, adding a touch of magic to this enchanting scene. These rainbows are a natural phenomenon created by the interplay of light and water. They add an ethereal quality to the landscape, making it feel like a scene from a fairy tale. These waterfalls offer breathtaking views and a sense of tranquility and peace. The constant flow of water creates a soothing ambiance, a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It is a place where one can truly connect with nature and find inner peace. Durango's canyons and waterfalls are a testament to the power and beauty of water. They are natural masterpieces, sculpted by the elements over countless ages. These landscapes are not just beautiful to look at, they are a reminder of the incredible forces that shape our world. As we leave this majestic place, we carry with us a deeper appreciation for the natural wonders that make Durango so unique. Durango's diverse landscapes provide a rich tapestry of habitats for a fascinating array of creatures. From the towering peaks of the Sierra Madre to the lush, verdant valleys below, each environment offers a unique sanctuary for wildlife. The region's varied climate and topography create microhabitats that support an incredible diversity of species, each adapted to their specific niche. Venture into the cool shade of the pine forests, and you might catch a glimpse of a puma, its movements a study in feline grace and power. These elusive predators are masters of stealth, their tawny coats blending seamlessly with the forest floor. They are solitary hunters, relying on their keen senses and agility to stalk their prey, which ranges from deer to smaller mammals. Deer, their large liquid eyes reflecting the dappled sunlight, graze peacefully in meadows. These gentle herbivores play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem by controlling plant growth and providing a food source for predators. Their presence is a testament to the balance of nature, where each species has a role to play. Wild boar root through the undergrowth in search of grubs and roots. Their powerful snouts and strong legs make them adept at foraging, turning over soil and helping to aerate the ground. This natural behavior not only provides them with sustenance but also benefits the forest by promoting new plant growth. Look up, and you'll be treated to a breathtaking aerial display as a variety of bird species flit through the trees. From the smallest hummingbirds to the larger raptors, each bird contributes to the rich tapestry of life in Durango. Their songs and calls fill the air, creating a symphony of natural sounds that is both soothing and invigorating. The brilliant flash of blue as a Steller's jay darts from branch to branch, the melodic song of a warbler, or the majestic soar of a golden eagle are just a few of the avian treasures. Each bird species has its own unique behaviors and adaptations, from the Steller's jay's bold curiosity to the warbler's intricate melodies and the golden eagle's powerful flight. Keep your eyes peeled for the iconic Mexican eagle, its distinctive white head and tail feathers a striking contrast to its black body. This magnificent bird of prey is a symbol of strength and freedom, soaring high above the landscape in search of its next meal. Its keen eyesight and powerful talons make it a formidable hunter. Durango's wild inhabitants play a vital role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Each species, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, contributes to the intricate web of life. Their interactions and interdependencies ensure the health and stability of the environment. highlighting the importance of biodiversity. They are a reminder that we share this planet with a myriad of other creatures. Each one, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, has a role to play in the grand tapestry of life. Their presence enriches our world, offering us a glimpse into the wonders of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things, each deserving of our respect and protection. By understanding and appreciating the diverse wildlife of Durango, we can foster a deeper connection to the natural world and inspire efforts to conserve these precious habitats for future generations. Let us cherish and protect the wild inhabitants of Durango, ensuring that they continue to thrive in their natural homes. As we journey south, a transformation takes place in the landscape. We've arrived at the edge of the Chihuahuan Desert, a land of stark contrasts and surprising life. Imagine a sea of sand stretching towards the horizon, sculpted by the wind into ever-shifting dunes. The sun beats down relentlessly, testing the limits of endurance. Yet, even here, life finds a way. Cacti stand tall and proud, their intricate patterns and vibrant blooms a testament to nature's artistry. Lizards dart between rocks, seeking shade from the heat. Scorpions emerge at night to hunt. The desert may seem like a barren wasteland, but look closer, and you'll discover a world teeming with life. It's a reminder that life is tenacious, finding a way to thrive even in the most unexpected of places. Our journey through Durango wouldn't be complete without exploring its rivers. The Rio Nazas and the Rio Baluarte wind their way through canyons and valleys, bringing life-giving water to the land. Imagine standing on the banks of the Rio Nazas, its waters a deep emerald green reflecting the surrounding vegetation. The air is alive with the sound of insects and the calls of unseen birds. Fish leap from the water, their scales catching the sunlight. Along the banks, willows and cottonwoods dip their branches into the water. Beavers build their dams, creating wetlands that teem with life. The Rio Baluarte, known for its challenging rapids, offers a different kind of beauty. These rivers are vital arteries supporting a delicate ecosystem that sustains a wide range of plant and animal life. They are a reminder that water is life and that we must protect and cherish this precious resource. As our journey through Durango comes to an end, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. This corner of Mexico, with its towering mountains, lush forests, stark deserts, and life-giving rivers, is a testament to the boundless beauty and diversity of the natural world. From the heights of the Sierra Madre Occidental to the depths of the canyons, from the vibrant green of the Huauchinango Valley to the muted tones of the Chihuahuan Desert, Durango has captivated our senses and stirred our souls. We hope this journey has inspired you to seek out the wonders of the natural world, wherever you may be. And who knows, perhaps one day, your own path will lead you to Durango, where adventure awaits around every bend. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the beauty of our planet.